Hey y'all! So, before I start this video, I wanted to preface it by saying that I'm sorry about not making this sooner. I went to college about 4 months after making my initial van video, and then it was my freshman year of college, so I was really immersing myself in my education and my new friends, and so I didn't really get around to making a van video. While I was there, I met my partner John, who is fantastic, and I also met my best friend Gwen, who started dating my other best friend Finn, who I have gone on some crazy adventures with, one of which was us skiing in backcountry Canada, but that's a story for another time. By the end of my school year, we all, three of us, or four of us, decided to take a road trip back to California. We just wanted to keep living together after having such a crazy, difficult, and amazing year together. And so this video is a little compilation of the moments that we had on our cross-country road trip, as well as my van tour, which I will put the number stamp in the description. So if you're not here to see the little moments and you just want to see the van tour, I totally get that. So go ahead, enjoy. But for those of you who are here that want to see what living out of the van was like and see what that journey across the country was like, stick around, and I really hope that you enjoy. I will mention that all of this did happen about half a year ago now, as it's winter where I am living currently. And so some of the dynamics have kind of shifted, but I kind of wanted to make this so that we would have a little time capsule of our journey together, because I feel like it was a really important time in our lives, and I feel like we gained a lot from that experience overall. I also, again, really wanted to say that I'm sorry for not posting something sooner. I know it's been a year since I made the first van video, which was kind of a memento of that creation. I don't want the time elapsing to come across as a sign of disrespect for the support that I've gained on this video. I really wasn't expecting to have so much of an influx of people, especially since the initial video that I filmed was not a really great van construction video. It was more just like the fun moments that we had while we were making such a strange and wonderful little spaceship. But I want to thank those of you who have stuck around. For those of you who are fans of Nepenthe, thank you. It really means a lot that I got such positive feedback on the first video. So, enjoy.
Your mother smells of elderberry.
Good.
Potato.
What do you want?
just call my life.
Diener, 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 diener.
How about a clean start?
Hey, swipe up for a surprise.
That's the surprise.
And I got the two.
It could have been my titties though.
Are you pro science, pro health, and pro vaccine?
It's all on my mind, how to break through, and I want to show you how I do, but I don't know how to. All I have is the will to know you. Ooh, ooh,
I also got a hat. Yo, hat check.
It's snowing in summer. It's snowing. Ah.
This is amazing.
We're gonna get naked and get in the hot tub. Yes.
Ah!
That would have been bad.
We got too excited.
But they would have towels. In this weather?
But tell you what, it is real. 100% real. All real. All this could be yours.
For the low
For the low price of
$12.99
I've taken
in
me
3 monthly payments.
3 monthly payments. Get that? 3.
Ah, psych. I look rough as fuck. Shee. I'm on my period and I did not sleep last night. Poopy.
Welcome to the motherfucking band tour. For those of you who have stayed watching since the beginning, thank you. And for those of you that skipped ahead, I respect the excitement and straightforward style. To start off, I'll show my favorite feature, which is the shelf in the back. It flips up right off the back of the door using bookshelf hinges that I found on Amazon. Here's a shot of the back of the van so you can get a sense of some of the decor and love that I've added in the past year. It's a little messy after living out of it for a month. Someone in the comments noticed the face of the woman on the drawer panel that my dad made. He's an artist, so it's nice to have some of his touch on the van. This is the drawer I usually cook out of using our 2-burner camp stove, but it's such a lovely day we're cooking outside. Below the stove, I keep ingredients and spices. I would keep the food here as well and organized, but with the 4 of us, it's mostly become quite a mess. In the other drawer, I keep my clothes organized in the bags for small stuff and the larger items just shoved together. You might think it's because the van is small, which it is, but it's also because I'm a very messy ADHD stinker. I decided to use the manzanita stick as a hat rack. And in the front drawer, I use it for a little bit of storage while we're moving across the country. Nothing special. The bed pops up and makes what is just about a little bit under a full, and it sleeps too comfortably. But it's a mess in the garage, which is what I call the space under the bed, so I won't show that now. I keep a little dustpan in the nook for dirts and spills. Above the bed I have a cupboard, which is at an angle so that it can be leaned against. It's also a mess, but what can I tell you? The van's lights are working with 2 separate light systems, both hooked up to the battery. The back one is on the strongest setting constantly to be used for cooking and late night shenanigans, while the front one is on a dimmer. I figured since the van is small, it doesn't need all 4 at the same time. There is also charging ports which allow us to charge at night. The fan is a max air fan, which I flip up open at night since it can get hot, even in the snow sleeping 2 people. Here is a nice close-up look of the cubbies for those of you who are interested. I made a little jewelry box and 2 fun shelves for the little friends. I've been spicing up the inside with magnet decor. Well, that's my little spaceship. I hope you enjoyed.
You don't have to. I just thought you might like it.
Cute little guy.
Love you guys. It's gonna make me cry.
well, that's all, folks. Thank you for watching my little van tour. If you stuck around for the whole video, I hope that you enjoyed the little interspersing of life moments, and for those of you who just watched the van tour, I appreciate your straightforward attitude. If y'all like this, maybe I'll release something in 3 years. I don't know. But for real, if you leave questions in the comments and want, you know, some other type of content about the van, maybe I'll get around to filming it outside of my crazy school schedule. I am a biology major, and so it's a little hard to do some filming of other things outside of that rigorous academic schedule, but I would totally be open to it because it is really fun to get to share these like little bursts of my life. I also am an art minor, and so I do a lot of experimental work, experimental animation, experimental film. I'm actually doing an animated doc about a legend that exists at my school, and so if you all would like me to share that, I most likely will anyway. Winter break is coming up, and I will be back with the van. I left her on the West Coast for the semester, and so I will be able to make content surrounding her over winter break, and I'll also be driving across the country again over winter break to bring her back to the East Coast. And I'll be doing that with my mom, and we'll be visiting Gwyn along the way, so if some of you are more interested in that personal life aspect, I can film that. I just need some, you know, comments about it, just to see if that's something people are interested in. Feel free to comment. I read all of my comments, and most of the time reply to them. I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you whenever I post something else. So thank you for watching.